What is going on, YouTube land? I am ChrisCataluna. Before we get into this unboxing right here, go ahead and check out my Instagram, ChrisCataluna with the underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And we're hitting it really close to that 10,000 subscriber mark here on this YouTube channel. Thanks if you're subscribed already. If you're not, you definitely will want to, because once we hit 10K, I'm gonna give away a Supreme Super Soaker and a Supreme Floral Skateboard deck. So subscribe to the channel. What are you doing? Alright, let's get into it. With the current state of affairs, we're all supposed to be bunkered down, we're all supposed to be quarantined, and with that said, it's making posting videos on a consistent basis a little bit difficult. I mean, most retailers are closed up. I can't just pull up to a shoe store, get the shoe, bring it back here, do a shoe review, even go to the park to do B-roll and whatnot, and then post a video. It's just a pretty difficult time. So I thought it would be pretty cool to do this unboxing video. Now, if you go to www.kickingitATX.com, what they are offering is they're offering 4 different tiers of boxes: a $50 box, $100, $150, and a $225 box on their website. Now, whatever tier that you buy into, you do have the possibility of getting like apparel, whether that's like jacket or pants, toys like pop figures or money guns, and then footwear, which I'm pretty sure we all want at this point. That's the whole reason why we're buying this box, right? So the box that I have in front of me is actually at the $150 tier. Now, if you go to the website and you look towards the bottom, it actually notes that whatever box that you buy at whatever price point, the contents inside could be at least double the value. So this $150 box could turn into a box worth $300 worth of content. So that's definitely worth it. So in choosing the box denomination, there are forms on there to which you can notate your size and apparel items. I chose a size small for t-shirts or jackets, and then I chose a size 8.5 in footwear. So now that I have the box right in front of me, let's open it and see if it's double the value. And just looking at the box right now, there is a lot of stuff in here. This is my first unboxing on the channel. I've never done one before. I don't have any strategy in going into this. Probably should pick out the smaller items first and or the looser items, and then once we showcase the item, I'll post up the pricing that it's at, and then at the end we'll tally it all up to see if it exceeds that $150 price point. First item up is going to be this gray dad hat. It says Kicking It on the front. Now, Kicking It is a sneaker boutique located here in Austin, Texas. Definitely check them out. So it has Kicking It embroidered on the front of the hat in the blue embroidery and the white outline. And again, it is a dad hat made by Mitchell and Ness. So you know you are getting a quality hat. And the retail is at $24 USD. Getting into the next item, pulling it out, we have poker chips. Oh, they're actually air fresheners. So we have some air fresheners with the Kicking It branding in Las Vegas styling on the front side. On the reverse side, we have the Kicking It, the KI branding there, and this is predominantly done up in black and white. And I don't know what they smell like. I don't want to open it right now, but I hope they smell like you know, in high school where we all use that black ice air freshener. I hope they smell like that. And I think these retail at $3 a pop for a set of 2. So we'll add that to the ticket. So 24 plus 3. Digging into the box, I am pulling out, it's a box. It has a wood finish to it with that Kicking It Las Vegas styling going on. Jewelry box? No, so it's actually, what is it? Oh, they are playing cards. So we have a velvet on the inside of that wooden box, and then we have some playing cards. Yeah, some playing cards, and they're done up in plastic. They have a black finish. They have that Kicking It Las Vegas theming going on, and then on the front side or the face of the cards, they're done up in blue, and then your suits are done up with a blue and silver finish. These actually feel pretty good to the touch. They feel better than like whatever you get at the convenience store, like that paper quality. I'm actually gonna put this up, but I really like the box. The box is definitely what sells the card set for me. I think this retails at a price point of $20, so we'll add the $20 on top of the $24 and the $3. Pulling out the next item, it is a pair of shorts. A pair of Nike shorts. It's done up in fleece material. You have the Nike on the side, pockets on the side, your pull tabs at the front. I like this a lot. I love when my pockets have zippers, especially at the back, because you don't want to deal with them pickpockets. This looks pretty dope. I like this a lot. I can always use shorts, especially here in Austin, Texas. It gets pretty hot. Now, I don't know if they have... Okay, so these actually retail at a price point of $45 USD. So we'll add 45 to the ticket. Shorts, shorts, shorts. I can always use shorts. A lot of these are t-shirts. Let's do a box item. So this is... Oh, okay, so we have a money gun right here. Pretty cool stuff. Oh, it looks like the box, we actually have some Nike slides in here, but we'll get to that in a second. So we have a money gun in here, and it's a kicking it money gun. So you know how these were like popular like a year ago, 2 years ago, when Supreme came out with their money guns. You can put the money inside here, and especially during coronavirus, when you hit up the clubs and whatnot, and I mean, you want to pay the businesswoman for her services. So in maintaining that corona distance of 6 feet, you can pay her by taking your money gun and paying her. And you're doing a service for both parties by maintaining that distance. And I think this money gun retails for a price point of $25. So we'll add that to the ticket. All right, I already mentioned that I think these are Nike slides. We'll just save that for the last because that is footwear. So let's get into it. Right here we have a Mitchell & Ness t-shirt with the Kicking It logo right here, done up in blue and white plastisol. And it looks like they did 3 layers to it, like a white base and then the blue and then white again, flashing it with white for the outline. And this shirt actually feels pretty good. I think it's done up in 100% cotton. Again, it is a Mitchell & Ness t-shirt, and it's actually $35 USD. So at $35, we'll add that to the ticket. Next item we have up is going to be a t-shirt, and it's brought to you by Paper Planes. So Paper Planes on the inside, Paper Planes on the back, and it looks like it's a concert poster. So it says live in concert, Almighty Planes Crew, yada yada yada. And this actually feels pretty good. This feels the softest out of all the shirts that we've pulled out so far. And it's 100% cotton, and looking at the retail price, it retails at $50 USD. That is quite pricey, but it adds on to that final tally, so $50. And we'll get into the next item, which is going to be a Kicking It branded shirt. Now, I really like this design. This is by Jose Moreno. If you want, you can follow him. He's at this link right here. So this is the Pluckers design. If you're not familiar with Pluckers, Pluckers is like Texas's version of like Wingstop or Buffalo Wild Wings. It's actually better than those two. I think it ranked in ESPN's like best food bars in America. But anyways, this is a Pluckers design. So you have Kicking It shoe bar right there. On the reverse side, you have the Kicking It logo at the back. Now, this was part of a series in which it pays homage to local restaurants or local venues, and just using the Kicking It name in substitute of those logos. This is a pretty cool t-shirt. It retails at a price point of $30 USD. So we're down to the last 2 items in the box. We have an apparel item and we have footwear. So let's pull out the apparel item. It looks like flannel. I'm not too big on flannel, especially living here in Texas. Everyone has it, so yeah, you would think I'd be wearing it, but I don't rock it at all. Anyways, wow, so this is actually a Hundreds branded shirt, and I'm kind of confused because we have the embroidery or the logo below the pocket. Normally that would be above the pocket. Whatever, Bobby Hundreds could do whatever he wants. So this is a size small. Oh, and if I didn't know, any of the t-shirts or apparel items, they were actually on my size. They were actually a size small. So thanks for Kicking It for actually like maintaining that and not throwing in a medium or a large or some like weird sizes. I can't wear anything outside of small. It just does not fit right. Anyways, this is a Hundreds branded woven shirt, and it retails oh my gosh, this retails for $84 USD. That is crazy. I'm definitely going to put some use to this woven shirt. So adding $84 to the ticket, I don't know what our total is right now, but it definitely feels like it's exceeding that $150 price point of the box. So the last item that we are getting into, it looks like some Nike slides. Pretty small box, pretty skinny. So what we have in here, okay, so I'm kind of confused because it says that these are Nike Air Max 90s, and Air Max 90s don't usually come in a box like this. They usually come in a box, say, like this. Like these are Tokyo Mazes. I have some other Air Max boxes back here. So this is kind of throwing me off. This definitely looks like a slide box. So opening the box. Oh, okay, so I was actually going to go into the store and buy these. These are the Hyper Turquoise Air Max 90s. I want to say that these came out maybe a week and a half to 2 weeks ago. They retail at a price point of $120 USD, and they're pretty badass. They have your synthetic and your suede uppers with the meshing materials, your TPU plates at the heel, at the front, and I think this is rubber and not TPU. It might be TPU. No, that's definitely rubber. And then your cassette tape that's done in that Hyper Turquoise color with the air bubble, of course. Signature of the 90s shoe. So yeah, that's pretty crazy. Again, these retail at $120 USD. So that definitely brings our total to more than $300, especially with that $84 woven t-shirt. I think we're well over $300. Let's actually tally this up. So what we had the Mitchell & Ness Kicking It Gray Dad Hat, which was $24. At $3, we had the air freshener. We had the Kicking It playing cards with that wooden box. That wooden box sold it at $20. The Paper Planes white t-shirt that was super soft, that retailed for $50. We had those Nike fleece shorts, which I am definitely going to wear this summer. Those retailed at $45. The Pluckers t-shirt at $30. The Hundreds long sleeve woven shirt I said was $84. The Kicking It Mitchell & Ness t-shirt, that black one with the blue Kicking It font, again $35. That Money Gun, which was $25, and then these shoes at $120. So in adding all of that up, that amounts to $436 for this $150 box. This was definitely worth it. Overall, my thoughts on my first unboxing on this channel, this was definitely crazy. I thought this was a cool experience. Usually I'm watching other YouTubers open boxes or paying for boxes, and then they open the box and the value that they get out of the box doesn't amount to what they paid. This was definitely well worth it. Again, we paid $150 for this box and we got $436 of content inside the box. So this was definitely legit. And I also got shoes that I've been wanting. If you're thinking about getting one of these mystery boxes from Kicking It, definitely check out their website at www.kickingitATX.com. It is a small sneaker boutique located here in Austin, Texas. They're located at the Domain Shopping Center in North Austin, and they're always helpful guys. And once this whole pandemic thing is over, definitely stop by, kick it with them. They're always willing to chat up and talk about shoes. Alright guys, I think this is a good stopping point for this video. What do you think about this mystery box unboxing on the channel? Was it legit? What do you think about the contents inside? I mean, we got the Money Gun, we got the shoes, we got the playing cards. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Go ahead and check out my Instagram, ChrisCataluna with the _ at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And again, we're hitting it really close to that 10,000 sub mark here on this channel. Thanks if you're subscribed already. If you're not, please do. I'd appreciate it. Alright guys, I'm ChrisCataluna, and we will check you next time. Cheers! See you now.